The reason I've trusted Rola-Chem all these years is their products make my job easier, and they've been around since 1967, so they know their stuff. Rola-Chem systems are designed by a pool pro for pool pros. Rola-Chem's ready-to-mount system take the hassle out of the installation in maintaining water chemistry control. Each of the 6 ready-to-mount configurations include fully integrated board, mounted pump, controller, and a monitoring components that are literally plug and play, or as I like to say, plug and paid. Being able to order one part number and one PO is also so convenient. I feel like Rola-Chem is really on my side when it comes to getting the job done correctly and efficiently. When I'm doing my rounds, I like to run as efficiently as possible, and nothing ruins my flow, faulty or unreliable equipment. This is never an issue I face dealing with this product. It saves me money by not overdosing chemicals. My customers love the consistency it provides, and it eliminates roller coaster levels. Rola-Chem is the leader in these systems because other manufacturers just don't offer this much value in one system. To get a Rola-Chem system to work, all you need is a supply tank and electricity. It doesn't matter if it's commercial or residential. With a Rola-Chem ready-to-mount system, it is faster and easier than ever to get you and your customer on their way to the perfect pool.